There you go. He disappeared.
What?
Hey, he made it to you. Feed him. He needs some lamb chops.
No, but I wanted you to bring him back. So
I did bring him.
Yeah, I know, but I wanted...
Like magic.
Okay.
What, you want me to come? Is there anything else you needed?
Yeah, the gold.
You seriously want me to bring the gold over?
Yeah.
My goodness. Whatever. I'm coming.
All right,
Is
well,
there
now
anything
that I
else
have
we
my
need?
dog...
Yeah. All right, I'm coming to 0-0.
You are giving me...
Should I take my horse or leave him here?
Yeah,
now? What?
Nothing. I'm just... My
Take
dog's...
my horse or leave him here. Skeppy. Skeppy. Take my horse or leave him here. You want? Forget it. I'm taking my horse. Come on. Roberto. We're going on a journey. Follow me to a place of incredible feats. La 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 la.